welcome to my channel. My name is Erica if you're new here, and in today's video I am going to be revealing to you guys 2 new bags that I've added to my collection. And if you read the title, it is part of the Lil Nas X collection that he has with Coach. When I saw this collection, I was like, yeah, I gotta get it. I have to get it. I have to get it. Like the colors, like when you see the bag, you'll understand why like I'm kind of like at a loss for words, and why like I just had to get it. Like I had to get it. If you've watched all of my videos, then you know like I'm really into handbags, and I like adding different colors to my collection and different like materials. I usually stick with the same style of handbags and just add different color, different patterns, yada yada, you know. If you've seen the videos, you know. So let me just stop talking because I'm just ready to show you guys. Also, the collection dropped on December 26th. So hopefully when this video goes out, there's still some in stock if you would like. So the 2 bags that I do have, they come in a mini version, but I got the medium size, I guess this will be called. But let me just stop talking because I feel like I'm just rambling. So let's just get into the unboxing. Here's the first one. As you can see, some of the color is like peeking out through here, but I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the packaging for you guys and show you this wonderful pretty bag. Like you're already starting to see, like, look, like this is just perfect. This is like perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and take all the rest of the wrapping off and get it together and come back and show you guys. Okay, so after taking off all the wrapping, here she is. Like, isn't she stunning? So just, if you saw I believe my previous video when I showed the mini Shearling Tabby in 12, this is the Shearling Tabby in 18, but again, it's part of the Lil Nas X collection. And this is in the color Montero Blue. It comes with 2 hang tags, one like the regular Coach, and then the Lil Nas X collection one. So it's 2, which is a nice touch. It comes with a furry handheld shoulder strap if you want to put it on your shoulder, but it's kind of a tight squeeze. So I would just, you know, carry it or put it in the crook of your arm. I like that it's in this Shearling material. The C is in the blue to match, and it's in silver hardware, as you can tell. It does come with another strap, which is detachable and adjustable, so you can wear it crossbody or on your shoulder. When you open it up, it is a button closure, as you can see, button closure. And then when you open it up, there's 2 sections, and it's divided by this middle part here. It's not a pocket, so you can't put anything here. It's just a piece of leather in between. But you have one section here, and then you have a section in the back, and then there's also a slip pocket where you can put something in as well. So here she is. There are no feet, and there is no back pocket. So it's really very, very soft. So if there's nothing in it, it probably, like, it still holds its shape, but it's not like a structured bag. So this is in the Montero Blue. Here is the tag if you want to look it up. Hopefully that's focused for you, but that's the tag for the blue bag. And if you're not a stranger to my channel, you already know that if I like a particular bag, pattern, style, whatever, I'm gonna get it in multiple colors. So let me just go ahead and show you guys the other color that I got it in. And this color is in the bright fuchsia color. Again, it's just like the other bag with the 2 hang tags. Is the Lil Nas X key tag here. This is what this one looks like. And then again, you have the Shearling top handle. And then the C is in the same color as the bag. Here is the strap that you can wear crossbody, detachable and adjustable. And here is what it looks like on the inside. Again, same configurations as the last bag, but the inside is in pink. So I just wanted to show you guys these bags right quick. I want to put these videos out for you guys, but here are my Little Nas X collection bags, and I'm so glad that I added it to my collection. I do want to get the mini Shearling 12 in the orange color that they have. I believe they have it as Mandarin, but I do want to add that one just to have like a, you know, I love mini bags, so I just want to add that one to my collection. I'll pop that one in over here so you can see what that one looks like. Again, these bags retail for $4.95. It is a little steep, but I mean, hey, Coach is really doing his thing, and I support. 100% I support. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you can give me a like, comment, and subscribe, that will be great. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye. I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. 'Cause the love you give, you can't be replaced. So no one else can do. That's why I feel my love for you. I won't please you anywhere I can. I wish you my world. Don't you understand?